Paint and materials compensation, a paradigm shift. If you are interested in hearing about how you can make more money on paint and materials, this brief video will be of interest to you. There's an old adage that says, if you keep doing what you have always done, you'll keep on getting what you've always gotten. Everyone in the collision industry, including insurers, agree that the old methodology used for compensation for paint and materials, which is based on refinish hours times an arbitrary dollar amount, is not accurate and is outdated. But the industry keeps using this method because that's the way it has always been done. It has become the paradigm. A paradigm is a set of assumptions, values, and practices that shape how we understand and operate in a particular field. In order to change the way that body shops get paid for their paint and material usage, they must get away from the old paradigm and create a new one. That's called a paradigm shift, which is not just about change, it's about transformation. What's the problem? Insurance companies have been laser-focused when it comes to controlling costs, with millions of vehicle repairs processed each year. Shaving just a few dollars off of each repair adds millions of dollars in extra profit for them. That's why they want to stay with the old paradigm. Today, most shops don't push back. They just accept doing business based on the old paradigm, sometimes willingly, sometimes not. What does that mean for you? Rising paint and material costs go unrecovered. Profits are shrinking every year. And you're stuck in a system that no longer works for your business. The current paradigm is costing you significant lost profits. What's the solution? The collision industry is changing. Competition is increasing and profit margins are tight. Successful shops are no longer just fixing cars. They're running efficient, data-driven businesses. Here's what they're doing differently. They're tracking every cost, down to the smallest roll of tape, mixing cups, and all of the other dozens of miscellaneous items used in the repair and refinish process. In addition, they are invoicing for every paint and material item used, turning a cost center into a profit center. A typical body shop today uses about 200 individual paint and material items. While many of these items may seem minor, together they total hundreds of dollars per repair. Ignoring them means leaving money on the table. In the past, tracking and invoicing for every paint and material item was nearly impossible. It was too time-consuming and too complex. But not anymore. Today, new software application tools make it easier to generate accurate line item invoices. Body shops can now provide insurers with accurate data-backed documentation. These software tools, like PNC Logic, gives you a simple, powerful way to recover your true costs. This is the new standard, the invoice method, and it's here to stay. It will become the new paradigm. Change is never easy. Even when we know it's for the best, it's uncomfortable at first. But every major shift starts with someone who refuses to accept the way it's always been. Henry Ford said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." To effectuate this paradigm shift, you and all of the other body shops in the industry must lead this change. One shop alone can't do it, but thousands can. Imagine this future. Every shop invoices for real paint and material costs. The industry adopts this as the new norm. Insurers adapt, and reimbursement reflects actual materials used. This is how the paradigm shifts, changing from using the old, outdated allowance amount method to using accurate paint and material invoicing for compensation. If you're ready to start making more money on paint and materials, do this. Generate detailed, itemized invoices on every job. Submit those invoices to your customers on every vehicle repair, and encourage your peers in the industry to do the same. If this is what you want to do, PNC Logic can help. It removes all of the human effort required to generate an accurately detailed invoice on every vehicle repair you do. It takes zero effort on your part. If you'd like to see how this is done, or even better, experience a free, no-obligation evaluation of this software tool, just scan the QR code or call us at 800-933-6564. Thank you, and we hope you will be part of the paradigm shift.